Hey, Tim Sykes here with a little video lesson Friday after the market closed. Just a daily, weekly recap, just trying to get you in the right mindset for the weekend. I just nailed this late day breakout on BEGI. The initial spike was here, and I missed this one. I was buying it in here just under five, and I didn't really get the position size I wanted because it was spiking too fast. But look at this quick spike, consolidation, and then another quick spike, very similar to, near the market open. And this is just a low float new crypto play, OTC first green day. This pattern has been hot lately. First big volume day, really. So it's really the first day that has been discovered. We'll see what it can do on Monday. Also, I have TPTW. Nice, solid, strong first green day with the Walmart news. Like they're going to do testing, in the parking lot of Walmart. So I think that could be good. I actually thought that it would run more, but this is also kind of a semi-promoted stock. So I'm sure the promoters were selling into it. I sold a little bit. I took some profits, but I also have a small position over the weekend. For the week, or for the day, I made about $5,000. Pretty good for a day in August. And for the week, 25,000. And I thought this was interesting because I was like, wait a minute, I've seen a number similar like this, like 25,169 to be exact. And then, if you go back to last week, 25,115. I did not plan this. I'm just trying to take it one trade at a time, but it's pretty crazy, I ended up within 50 bucks of the same as last week. And it's pretty cool, and it's same kind of low price stocks. I mean, I like these OTC runners. I know that there's some other ones, higher priced ones like FAMI, but you can see how choppy this is. I saw people holding this into the close, and I'm just like, why? Like this is such a chop fest. And it's very similar to HX yesterday, which just completely crashed the next day too. So find whatever pattern works for you. I don't like these choppy ones. I avoided IGC also. This one's coming down, and NTN. All these ones, that ran due to probably short squeezes and some momentum traders. I mean, they all get crushed. I really gravitate towards these lower price OTCs. Which do you like? I'm curious. Leave a comment underneath this video saying, do you like, sub 50-cent stocks? Like true penny stocks, or do you like stocks trading over like $1, $2, $3? I mean, technically, legally speaking, a penny stock is anything under $5 a share. But I think that if you start to group, these trades a little differently, you'll see that it's really a huge difference. I don't know. I like the low price OTCs, and frankly, that's why I've been making 25K a week. I want you to study up this weekend, okay? That's the main purpose why I make videos like this, to inspire you to study. I'm going to include a link just below this video for my new 30-day bootcamp. It is literally the best reviewed product that I've ever put out, and it's actually pretty cool. It only took me 12 years to do. I've been teaching for 12 years now. I think it's kind of funny because I've tried everything, but we put everything together. And it's an amazing deal, and there's so much content, and there's quizzes, and there's a glossary, and people are just absolutely loving it, which I love hearing. Let me show you just a few. Sorry, I have way too many windows open. I'm just going to go through my Twitter. By the way, this is the 50% rally in the past 100 days. This is the best 100-day streak ever. In the markets. So some of you are like, why aren't you getting back to me? I'm a little busy in the hottest stock market ever right now. I want you to capitalize on this. It's not normal for me to make $25,000 in a week. All of 2019, I only made like $125,000 for like the entire year, right? So now I'm making this, I mean, that would be basically like 5 weeks in this market compared to 52 weeks last year, just to give you an idea. And I'm also trading pretty conservatively with small dollar positions, because I'm not trying to make the most money. I'm trying to show you like good trades with relatively small dollar amounts of like $5 or $10 or $15,000 per position. I'm not taking, $1 million positions. I know there's some short sellers out there. They're like, look at me, I made 100,000 this week, and they're trading with a freaking $3 million account. Like, it's useless for newbies, and it's actually dangerous if you try to replicate their strategy with a small account. I don't want to tell you that. That's why short sellers don't like me, promoters don't like me, but students do, because I am giving you the truth, and that's what this should be about. Props to M. Kelly Tyler, in the fives, out in the sevens on TPTW, and FAMI making 15%. Alex made $855. I'm going to keep highlighting these students, who make a few $100s on the day, because frankly, this is how I made, my millions. Here's Power Pilot, NTN, IGC, $800. J-Trade made like 12% gains on CREG. Yeah, that was a tough one. That was a little higher priced. Nice single on MTP. FYI, making over $1 a share on a stock trading under $3. That's not a single. That's more like a double or even a triple. But props, Benjamin Lewis, I love this. Benjamin is my student of the day. First time making over $2,000 in one day. And for the week, he made $5,000. So props to you, Benjamin. Keep studying. I know you've been studying hard. Literally, Benjamin has been on top of this boot camp. And a lot of these students, who are finding the most success are. Here is RG nailing MTP, sorry. And he's going to go study. Look at that. 3 consecutive green days. How do you celebrate? You go study. That is the right mindset. That's the right mentality. Sticker John, $300 on MTP, $200 on FAMI. Carlos made a little money on MTP also. Kristen, I like seeing this, $623 on MTP. Denny, I love this, 5 for 5 Friday, and he's trading a bunch of stuff. Zyna made some money on MTP. I think it was supposed to be MPT. I don't know. There's so many freaking students and plays. I just want you to get excited. Oh, also read this book, The Complete Penny Stock Course. This is on Amazon. And I highly, highly encourage you to just read this. I know that some of you are saying, oh, like this is too basic. It really helps, to go through this stuff again and again. I'm basically a glorified history teacher. I'm teaching you stock market history. This book is written by one of my students. This is how crazy this is. People don't understand. People are like, why don't you get more organized? Every single day, there's a new play. Every single day, I'm trying to just, create watch lists, create video lessons, give commentary, tweets, blog posts, sometimes webinars and videos. I mean, I am nonstop right now, and the market has been, like I said, the hottest ever in the past 100 days. So I'm thankful for students. I don't just want you to be rich. I want you also to learn this stuff so that you can help me get organized. Jamil, one of my students, wrote this, and he also programmed stocks to trade, right? So this is basically all my lessons, but written by my student Jamil. I just wrote the foreword. Pretty cool. And this, boot camp, yeah, I'm, majorly in it. But at the same time, guess what? My student, Matt Monaco, one of my newest 6-figure students, who's closing in on $300,000 in profits. And he made hardly anything before the last 4 months. And we recorded this, the majority, in April. He put it together. He organized it based on what he's learned. So I am so grateful to him. And this is what I want for everybody watching this, so that you can help me teach. This is actually an intervention. This is kind of messed up, right? I need you to get rich and knowledgeable so that you can help me, and then we can slice and dice up teaching into different products. Like this boot camp is a great new way, an interactive way of learning. Jamil's book is a great book for learning. Everyone learns in different ways, and I need help trying to create all of this. Up until the boot camp, Jamil's book was my best reviewed product. So whatever you can do to learn this stuff, get rich, and then also help me teach. I think that's, win-win. And I'm so grateful to the community, giving back, helping me, helping each other. This is not just about money. This is about all of us. So props to everybody tweeting me. Keep tweeting me. Keep messaging me. Keep studying. I'm going to post actually 2 links below this. A link to Jamil's book if you like books, and then also the the 30-day boot camp. And I'm just going to take a nap right now. But congrats to everybody in TPTW. A little choppy, but we finished at the highs. And BEGI was just absolutely fantastic. I got to give props to NBN707 in my challenge chat room. He's the one who alerted this, and I just, piggybacked him because this was a great call. So have a great weekend. Study up. Cheers.